Hello, this is Ramesh Maurya, and today I am with my next class for the past continuous tense. Previously, we have covered the past and definite tense. In the past and definite tense, we had learned कि where we use the past and definite tense. We use the past and definite tense for the action or incident happened at a specific time. Today we will learn how to talk about the action that was continued during the period. What is this term during the period? Let us focus here. For example, if I said that here you can say from 6 and 8 p.m. So, if any action is continued during this particular period, so we will denote it in the past continuous tense. For example, if I want to say that I started my work at the 6 p.m. and it was continued up to the 8 p.m. It was started at the 6 p.m. and it was continued for some period for the 2 hours 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. For the 2 hours period it was continued. This section was continued for the 2 hours. So we will say that I was working. I was working. It is denoting the action that was continued during the period. Means I started my work at 6 p.m. and it was continued up to the 8 p.m. So in this way we can use the past continuous tense. Another example, he was working, they were working, Ram was working, we were working, she was working, and it was working. Here you can see that in some sentences was and some other sentences were have been used. So we know that was and were or the helping verb of the past continuous. In the past and definite we had learned that there we used did for the negative and interrogative sentences. So here if we are going to talk about any action that was continued during some period, so we will use was and were. So what is the differentiation between the was and were and which pronoun we use? So I, we and you and they takes were. And he, she and it takes was. So I was working. It is counted sometimes as a plural as well. So you can stand here it and I. So I was working, he was working, they were working. Ram is singular, so Ram was working. Ram and Sita. So singular countable noun was, takes was. B were working, and C and it takes was. So this is the use of the verb was and were. If we talk about the formation, what is the structure of the past continuous tenses? So formations rule is subject, and after that comes helping verb, means was and were. After that comes V4, means present participle V4, and after that comes objective part. Take a subject. So our subject, he as a subject, and he takes was. So was, and V4 ready, read becomes reading, and plus what he was reading. So he was reading a story book. So he was reading a story. Through this sentence we are trying to denote, trying to indicate, trying to talk about the action that was continued during a period. So he was reading, we can say he was reading a story from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this is the structure of the affirmative sentences, formation of the affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences. I had told you what are the affirmative sentences. When I repeat it, through the affirmative sentences we affirm something and never reject any ideas. Means he was reading a story. I affirm, I accept it. So it is example of the affirmative sentences. If we talk about the negative sentences, so let us see the negative structure of the sentences. Negative sentences. If we talk about the structure, so structure is subject plus helping verb plus verb in force form and plus objective part comes. So first example, number one, they takes were, so they were making a noise. So they were making a noise, and here we are forming a negative sentence, so not will also come. So here we will add not. So they were not making a noise. Making a noise. Another example. Radha was not talking with him. Another one. My mother was not writing a story. So these are the example of the negative sentences. In the negative sentences, we reject any ideas, we don't accept any ideas. So they were not making a noise. If someone says that they were making noise, then I reject this idea and say that they were not making a noise. Radha was not talking with her. If someone says that I saw that Radha was talking with him, so if I don't agree, then I will say that no, Radha was not talking with him, and my mother was not writing a story. So this is the example of the negative sentences. Let us talk about the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. So as I had told you yesterday, कि only these two words are inverted. So they take place of each other. ये एक दूसरे का जगह ले लेंगे and they will form the interrogative sentences. And class is yes or no types. So yes or no types. No types questioning. So if we inverse, so it will become birthday, making or not making. So birthday making a noise. So here through this sentence, I am trying to know something, and answer of this question can be given in yes or no. Okay, if I ask if birthday making a noise, then anyone can reply yes, or he can say no, they were not making a noise. So this is the day. If we inverse, so it will become was Radha not talking with him. So here actually I am trying to inquire, was she talking or not, and I want my answer in yes or no. So simply. So this is the another way. Number third, my mother. So if we inverse, so it will become was my mother not writing a story. So this is the third. And lastly, when we expect our answer in detail, or we try to get any information out, so another type of is the having the WH family. So WH family question word. So nothing is done especially. This is taken dicto birthday making a noise. So birthday making a noise. So we add a question family and it will become why birthday making a noise. So now here a reason will be answered. A reason will be given to me why birthday making a noise. Another examples, Radha was Radha not talking with him. So was Radha not talking with him. So if we put why. So why was Radha not talking with him? So here I will get a reason answered by someone. So if we want our answers in yes or no, then we use this structure: helping verb plus subject plus verb plus objective part comes. And if we try to know our answer in the in a sentence or reason, so question word plus helping verb plus subject plus verb and plus objective part comes. So let us take it an integrated form. So यहाँ पे हम सीख लेते हैं इसको एक इंटीग्रेटेड फॉर्म में यहाँ पे. So first is affirmative. So Ram was weeping. So we accept it and say Ram was weeping. Means Ram was doing this action during some period. And if we talk about the negative sentences, so it will become Ram was not is added only. So Ram was not weeping. So this is one negative sentence example. And yes or no types questioning will be done. We inverse it. So it will become was Ram weeping. So I am making a question and expect our answer in yes or no. Was Ram weeping? No. Ram was not weeping. Was Ram weeping? Yes, Ram was weeping. So this will be the answer. Yes, answer can be given. Yes, Ram was weeping. And answer may be in negative also. So no, Ram was not weeping. So this will Ram was not. And third in WH family. So why was Ram weeping? Why was Ram weeping? So we will get our answer like this something. So Ram was weeping because he was hungry. So we will get our answer like this. So means this types of the question will not be answered in yes or no, but in a phrase or in a sentence it is answered. Thank you. I think that it was helpful for you learning the past continuous sentences. Thank you.